Hey guys, and welcome to my new Let's Play, and today I want to show you my top 10 best kills in Fortnite. If your microphone sounds exactly like that, this video is for you. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change your microphone from inside a flying jet plane to professional and high quality. Let's go! You are probably wondering right now, how am I gonna help you? How can I turn your shitty ass microphone into a beautiful professional microphone? And I'm gonna tell you. This is the sample sound we have. Hello, this is a horrible sample sound from my horrible headset, from my horrible microphone. Let's see how it changes up. All you have to do is open up your browser, and I'm gonna give you 3 sites that are gonna completely change your experience. The first site we have is called Audo Studio, which gives us 20 minutes a month, and unless you are using temporary emails, you're gonna have to pay. Okay, so you already heard what the sample sound was like, so let's listen to what does it sound like with reduced background noise. Hello, this is a horrible sample sound from my horrible headset, from my horrible microphone. Let's see how it changes up. I personally don't really like this one, and I would give this a 4 out of 10 because this doesn't really change the sounding of your voice. It just does exactly what it says it does. It just reduces the background noise, but that's not enough to make a microphone sound good. So let's move on to the next one. The next site is called Adobe Podcast, and it's an AI from Adobe. All you have to do is just drag and drop your file. You also have to sign up, but the files are unlimited, so you can use it forever. Hello, this is a horrible sample sound from my horrible headset, from my horrible microphone. Let's see how it changes up. I personally would give this a 6 or maybe a 6.5 out of 10 because this did remove the noise, it did remove the low quality sound, the highs and everything, but it still doesn't sound professional like I promised. So for that purpose, we're moving on to the third one. Third site is called Auphonic.com, and this is the absolute beast, I'm telling you. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna make you listen to the original sound so we don't forget what it was like. Hello, this is a horrible sample sound from my horrible headset, from my horrible microphone. Let's see how it changes up. And now, let's hear what the result is. Hello, this is a horrible sample sound from my horrible headset, from my horrible microphone. Let's see how it changes up. And this is absolutely fantastic. I personally think that this is unbelievable. This is really just unbelievable. I'm speechless, really, because the way the result came out, the way it just removed all the unpleasant noises, the way it just removed everything unnecessary and just left the clean audio there is just amazing and beautiful. In any case, all the links to these sites are down below here. The ratings we have, I think it's quite obvious which one I like the most, but it's always up to you which one you're gonna use. Make sure to check out my links also to my social media, my Discord, where I post everything you could possibly need, along with some free games. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon, and bye bye.